got a fast car. I wanna take you to anywhere. Maybe we can make it to here. Maybe together we can get somewhere. Any place is better. Start from zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. Me, myself, I got nothing to prove. Got a fast car. I got a plan to get us out of here. Been looking at the convenience store. Managed to save just a little bit of money. Won't have to drive too far. Just cross the border and into the city. You and I can both get jobs. Finally see what it means to be living. Got a fast car. Is it fast enough so we can fly away? We've gotta make a decision. Leave tonight or live and die this way. Die this way, 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 way. So remember when we were driving in your car. Speed so fast, I felt like I was drunk. City lights lay out before us, and your arm felt nice right around my shoulder. And I got a feeling that I belong. I had a feeling I could be someone.
Break of dawn, come tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be gone, save tonight. Fight the break of dawn, come tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be gone. There's a log on the fire, and it burns like me for you. Tomorrow comes with one desire, to take me away. Easy to say goodbye, darling, please don't start to cry. Girl, you know I got to go, but I wish it wasn't so. Save tonight, fight the break of dawn, come tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be gone, save tonight. Fight the break of dawn, come tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be gone, save tonight. Fight the break of dawn, come tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be gone, save tonight. Fight the break of dawn, come tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be gone.
Tomorrow comes to take me away. the limit.
Y ahí está el señor Romero, que va a vencer en Valencia. Ahí está. Ha dejado muy buena CDM Moncada. Sí, señor. Tela de rabia. Llega Fernando Martínez.
Probablemente ha pensado también y ya los dos me han dicho, va, tira que es tuyo. Y bueno, he tirado. Nos hemos bajado a correr Martínez y yo juntos y escuchando un poco a Emilio y olvidándome lo que me decía la gente, que aguantase detrás de Martínez, que tiene un ritmo increíble, y que apretase los últimos 200 metros, que es más joven y todo más. Y
ya lleva un triunfo con la copa de peso.
Sky is the limit.
Monday left me broken. Tuesday I was through with hoping. Wednesday my empty arms were open. Thursday waiting for love, waiting for love. Thank the stars it's Friday. I'm burning like a fire gone wild on Saturday. Guess I won't be cutting it. Guess I won't be cutting it. Cutting it, cutting it, cutting it, cutting it, cutting it.
Miriam Muñoz, vencedora de la sexta edición del Valencia Triatlón.
Miriam Muñoz, Miriam albireña, vencedora por segundo año consecutivo del Valencia.
Yo nunca me veo ganadora hasta que no llego a meta y es un triatlón en el que hay que nadar y de bici, correr y puede pasar de todo en mata. Y luego pues hay una prueba de Liga y Clubs, a ver si este año podemos ascender el equipo de Laboratorio SIS. Bueno, y aprovecho
Entrada en segundo lugar.
y estamos todos con ella y nos alegramos de que todo haya salido bien y es una manera de demostrarle nuestro apoyo.
La mala suerte es Miriam Rosselló, es la novia de Emilio Aguayo. La mala suerte es que Emilio Aguayo también ha pinchado.
Can't you hear the thunder? You better run, you better take cover.